neonicotinoids, or neonics, are a group of pesticides that are chemically related to nicotine. They are a systemic pesticide, meaning they are taken up through the roots and leaves and distributed to all parts of the plant, including the pollen, nectar, and fruit. Once applied to the seed, soil, or leaves, neonic remain active in the plant for several months. When an insect eats a part of the plant, it is exposed to the chemical and either impaired or killed depending on the dose. This makes neonics a highly effective pesticide, but also means it impacts a wide number of insects, including beneficial insects, like pollinators. Neonics are used on corn, soy, peas, beans, fruits, and vegetables. They are also used in greenhouse crops, garden plants, turf grass, Christmas trees, and pet care products to treat fleas. They are the most widely used insecticides in the world, with a market value of billions of dollars annually. The characteristics that make neonics a very effective pesticide also make them effective at harming pollinators and other wildlife. Because they're found in all parts of the plant, last for a long time in the environment, and can dissolve in water, insects and other animals can be exposed to the pesticide in many ways. Pollinators such as bees are particularly susceptible. They're exposed as the pesticides spread through the environment by dust, soil, runoff into streams, and leaching into groundwater. And neonics are also present in the nectar and pollen collected by bees to feed the colony. The impact of neonics on domestic and wild bees are well documented. Several species of bumblebee are headed toward extinction, due in part to the widespread use of this pesticide. The neurotoxic effects of neonics on pest insects and bees also extends to butterflies and beetles. In areas where neonics are sprayed on crops or applied to seed or soil, we see declines in the number of butterflies. The effects of neonics reach farther up the food chain. Because they are long-lasting in the environment, neonics end up in our wetlands and streams, leading to a loss of aquatic insects, the main food source for many of our fish and birds. Ban with a Plan has 5 parts. Ban neonics, give farmers alternatives and incentives to use them, recover affected species, encourage research and development on safer approaches to pest control, and reform how the government protects our food supply.